Good afternoon. We are on our way back to Bridgeport, Washington, where I stopped on the way home from Nebraska, and we are going to go camping in the city RV park in Marina. It's Tuesday, and we are making a little pit stop in Monroe, Washington. But we have like 3.5 hours to get to Bridgeport, and it's supposed to be hot, like 100 today, 97 to 100. So we are not in any hurry to get there. If we get there at 6, that's fine. But I can't remember last time I was in Monroe. But yeah, we just need a spot to pull over here, take a little break, go to the bathroom, maybe get a snack. So I'm hoping they have a grocery store, like something with a big parking lot. Would be nice. Ah, that chevron would have worked. It's on the wrong side though, I didn't see it. Shoot. But Zoe went to the vet yesterday. She had her shots, she had blood drawn, and she had her physical. So she basically, last year she was 11.28 pounds. This year she was 11.18 pounds. So she only lost 1/10 of a pound. Pretty good. Like she doesn't overeat, which is really good. But she's sleeping a lot now because of her shot. So it's kind of a good day to travel. There's gotta be some businesses we could park at. You know, strip mall, parking lot, grocery store. We got another 1.5 miles to drive through here, so we should come upon something. Can't park at a middle school. That might be suspicious. But it should be fun. The campground is right next to oh, that parking lot's closed. It's right next to the Columbia River where we're going, and it just should be, I mean, the scenery is really nice. The people hosting it are super friendly. But this is Monroe, Washington. I thought we were going to go through Snohomish, but we did not. It was a little out of the way. I really like that town. Ooh, what is this? This might work. So we're going to go to the Performing Arts Center. They got a giant parking lot. And take our little break here. But this trip should be fun. We're gonna go to Chilean maybe one day and do some exploring around Bridgeport. Go to Brewster. Alright, we just left the Performance Center in Monroe. Had a little break, and I was looking at the signs as we left, and they basically don't want you in there ever. You know, 24 hours a day it says, we will tow you. But yeah, so don't leave your car there if you plan on parking there. But we should be at Highway 2 in 7/10 of a mile. Looks like we are going to drive through the center of Monroe, so that'll be neat to see. It's 80 degrees. Zoe had a nice little break. She went to the bathroom, ate a ton of food. So I think the vaccine she got yesterday must be wearing off. or it didn't affect her too badly, which is good. Wow, I wonder what mountain that is in the distance. Oh, this looks neat. Oh my gosh, that truck, it parked and it's sticking out in the traffic lanes. How is that allowed? Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, this looks fun. They have all kinds of really neat stores and restaurants here. And there's a Mexican snacks bar, it's called. That looks neat. I've never seen a place like that before. Something called Harry's. I think that's a restaurant. Sounds like a restaurant. Coffee pie place. That looks fun. Yeah, there's not a lot of parking downtown though, by the look of it. I bet they have a really awesome Christmas decorations come the holiday time. Saigon kitchen, oh my gosh. Chinese and Vietnamese. I hope it's mainly Vietnamese. Last time I went to a place that said it was Chinese, Vietnamese, it was not very good.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto US 2 East.
So it looks like all the stores and strip malls are off of Highway 2. So if you have a big RV and trailer, I guess go through town on Highway 2. You'll find, oh, there's a Safeway, yeah. You'll find way more places to pull over and park.
Right onto US 2 East.
I wanted to do the scenic route though.
Continue on US 2 East for 9 miles.
Well, we are on Highway 2, going east. So our next potential stop is Stevens Pass. Sultan is in 6 miles. So Stevens Pass is 49. Wenatchee's 107. So that is the Snohomish River, I believe. Pretty sure. Definitely has a lot of water in it. I haven't been on this road, oh my gosh. I know it's been 20 years since I've been to Stevens Pass, I bet. I went skiing there once, many, many decades ago. It was really fun. I mean, they had lots of powder, at least back then. Well, at least the day I went. This is so much nicer than Highway 2, or not Highway 2, than taking I-90. I think I'm just really tired of I-90. I like going through the little towns and stuff. There's a place called the Reptile Zoo back there. It is 1:30. Our ETA is 5 p.m. 169 miles to go. did not film, and it was kind of nice actually. I had the radio on. It was something different. So I've been filming so much lately. But I definitely want to get this video of Highway 2, so it's worth it. So I think we go through Gold Bar, which is a little town along Highway 2, and there's a bunch of river access points, if I remember right, that you can pull off and go down to the river and have a picnic. Welcome to Stevens Pass Greenway, part of the Cascade Loop. It's up to 83. Once we get to Wenatchee, it'll probably be 95. Posting a video today. I want to see how it hurts my views today. See how far down they go. So I was reading how in the last couple of years, a lot of people are not happy with YouTube. A lot of the creators, they're getting paid less. They don't, even the big channels don't feel they're getting promoted as much anymore. They're saying how it seems like YouTube wants to go more Hollywood and get big names and TV shows, and I don't know if that happens. I hope somebody else makes a new channel to replace YouTube. If that happens, I'll go to it, because most people went to YouTube of old. They don't want another cable channel, network channel. There's already enough of those to watch. But we'll see what happens in the next year or two, I guess. I just want a place I can put videos up and they'll be there a long time. It's not about the money. I don't get any money, so that's why I'm keeping everything on hard drives as backup in case YouTube ever does change and then just mass deletes videos. At least I will have my original copies, and I can put them somewhere else if I want to. I don't think YouTube realizes, though, well, I hope they realize that they're nothing without all the creators that make stuff. They're nothing. Google wouldn't be the company it is today without YouTube. Ooh, farmers market, Saturday. So this is Sultan, Washington. And I think we're going to end this video, actually. Monroe to Sultan. Thank you for watching.